Welcome to Module Legends!
Hello everyone, this is your Science 5 first quarter Module 6 with the title Ways to Achieve Zero Waste. So this is the last module for the first quarter in Science 5. And I do suggest that you answer first the pre-test on your module on page 2. Now for the next activity, looking back, all you have to do is to use the word bank on the left to fill in the blanks below with my favorite buy recycled products words. All the clues are written on the left side. All you have to do is to write it on the blank. Use your answer sheets if there's any. Hints are given on for each blank. Ready? Close the loop. Buy items that are from recycled materials. How can you tell if a product is made from recycled materials? Read the labels. Look at these products around your paper towels, napkins, greeting cards, soda, toilet paper, cereal, cookie boxes, egg cartons, facial tissues, trash, pencils, writing paper. Are they made of recycled materials? Now we're done with the looking back activity. So in this module, we will still be talking about the 5 R's in waste management. Environmental contamination due to solid waste mismanagement is a global issue. To lessen the contamination, proper waste disposal is the key. This is also known as the 5 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and repair. So these 5 R's in waste management has been discussed on Module 5 for the first quarter. We will just go deep for this Module 6. The effects of less waste are positive for the environment, human health, and the economy. If people continue to discard waste without recycling, without reducing, and without reusing strategies, there may be a major health risks to humans and animals. People who live near dump sites, for example, will be exposed to smoke and to toxic hospital waste. Moreover, waste disposal is linked to greenhouse gas emissions, which is hazardous to our health. That's the reason why we really have to push through with the 5 R's of waste management. We have learned that a cleaner earth will mean a healthier life for us. A cleaner environment will produce a healthier environment for us to live. So in your Module 6, Activity 1, Recycle, Reduce. So the objective of this activity is to describe the benefits of recycling and reducing waste materials. So all you have to do is to get a pen and paper and try to do the activity. So number 1, take a few items out of your trash bin at home. I suggest that you use your trash bin, which usually have dry garbage inside. Identify which are recyclable or can be reduced and write them down. So for number 2, write down which of this garbage inside the trash can or trash bin can be recycled or can be reduced. Okay, that's for the activity 1. Now let's have the activity 2. Don't waste it. So the objective of this activity is for us to recycle waste materials. So we will be needing old pail, shovel, kitchen waste, soil, dry leaves, sticks, water, nail, and candle. I strongly suggest that there should be an adult or a guardian supervising you when doing this activity. This activity is optional. You may do this now or you may do this later when you have more time for this kind of activity. So you're going to prepare the pail, and this pail will be the compost bin. So you'll be needing to punch tiny holes at the bottom of the pail and to its cover by hitting the nail with the use of lighted candle. So you have to be very careful so you will not get burned during this activity. Place some brown materials such as dry sticks or dry leaves composing 1/4 of the pail. Then put some soil in it. Number 4, place the kitchen waste such as vegetable or fruit peeling in the pail. Then put some soil. Mix the compost using shovel and keep it moistened by adding water, then cover it. When the compost turns dark, it can be added as fertilizer to the soil of plants at home. If you have a family member like your mother or father who is very inclined into planting, they are some kind of a plantito and plantita, this one could be something that you can do with them. So this is making your own fertilizer at home. Again, this activity is optional for us. Okay, for activity 3, blurred to clear, recycling other waste materials. So, this activity is also optional. You will be needing a little, some materials with here, and you will be needing the help or supervision of an adult like your elder brother or sister and your mom and dad. Okay, again, this activity is optional. You may do this if you have plenty of time and if you have someone to assist you. But if not, I suggest you can do it some other time. So you can reserve this activity for the next free time that you have. Okay, remember, waste management. So when we talk about waste management, it's all about managing or handling waste materials. Anything or everything around us has its own use. And once the material has been used or it served its purpose, it's the time that we can put them into the trash as a trash. But remember, we can save them from being a trash. So instead of them being dumped and be a trash, we will be doing the waste management in which we can do the 5 R's. Doing the 5 R's like reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and repair will help us protect the environment. So we don't need to be heroes at all. By doing the 5 R's of waste management, we are actually protectors of the environment, just like the superheroes that we really idolize. And doing the 5 R's also lessen the pollution. And if we lessen the pollution, it will be us humans that will benefit from this. This will also prevent potential health and environmental hazards. Lesser pollution will mean cleaner environment, and a cleaner environment will mean a healthier environment to live. Healthy people living with the environment. Remember the 5 R's in waste management: reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and repair. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, and repair. Let's do the waste segregation. It's the process of separating waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. If we learned the waste segregation earlier, if we're going to do the waste segregation, it will be easier for us to identify which one will be reduced, which one will be recycled, which one could be repaired, okay, which are for recoveries and which one are for some other stuff. So waste segregation is one step in waste management which could help us identify how are we going to manage the waste that we have. So that's it. It's the Module 6 of your Science 5 first quarter with the title Ways to Achieve Zero Waste. So this module is intended to give you ways in which you could actually choose which one would you like to do for us to be able to lessen. And probably in the near future that we keep on doing the waste management, there will be zero waste. So that's for now. Thank you so much. First quarter is over. This is the last module for first quarter Science 5. See you guys on the next quarter. I'm your voiceover, Ma'am J.R. Pendon. Goodbye.